Here we are back in the Algarve, and we are going to show you that the Algarve isn't just all about beaches and surfing. There are some amazing places in the Algarve, countryside locations, peaceful, nobody around, and this is what we want to show you today. First up, here's something we did yesterday. We visited an abandoned convent and we got the chance to have a look around, so have a look at this. We are heading off to an abandoned building and hopefully we can get in there, get some filming done of it, and I can share it with you guys. So we're going to hit the road now, get some miles done and see where we can find. So we are off looking on foot for the building. So a little common sense tip here. Google Maps would have had me drive the Luton up here. Not a good plan. So we made it, and when we arrived, a really nice Portuguese gentleman welcomed me in and said go and have a look around. So that is what we are doing. Obrigado. Un bom dia. Ciao, ciao. You can see here behind me, these are cork trees, and I think that the number 3 on them means that they were last corked or harvested, however you put it, in 2013, I think. So one lesson that we've learned today is you can't take a Luton van that is at least 6'6" wide down a cobbled street that is 6 foot wide. Now, common sense, I'm here, you thinking. However, you don't realise that the road goes really narrow until it goes really narrow. So thank you, Google Maps, for that one. So for me, that was a little bit too touristy for what I was looking for. I was hoping for an abandoned building that people don't really go to, that I could sneak into, get some pictures, get some video, maybe even use the drone above it. But as it turned out, it's a tourist attraction here. So it was interesting, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of it. But I've got an idea of a building now that we can go to that isn't a public attraction, and I think it's a disused restaurant that we can get into, have a nosy round, take some images, and might be a bit exciting. So let's go see if we can find it. One of the many things I love about this country is finding random water taps, well, sinks, at the side of the road so I can fill my water up. Check this out. I've just found, well I say found, they're probably technically not lost, at the side of the road some orange trees, so I'm going to go and have a look and see if there's any on the floor that I could have for my breakfast in the morning. Freshly squeezed orange juice. Come on. So they seem to be dried up, but worth a go. Not a bad find. The convent was quite touristy, so I decided we would go on a search for an abandoned building that wasn't of public interest, and we found this old house. Where are you going? We found this old house which might have been a restaurant or something, and we went inside and had a good look around, and this is what we found. So we have made it to this abandoned building. I'm not sure whether this was a posh house, maybe a restaurant or something, I really don't know. But it's not in the greatest state of repair, but we can get inside and we can have a look around. And yeah, I think this could be interesting. Come on. Just in what used to be the kitchen, and directly above is the old cooker extractor, I guess, or chimney maybe once upon a time. And this is actually quite a big room for a kitchen. Let's go and have a look in the main room. So it's very dark in here because the windows and the original doors have all been bricked up to keep people out. So hopefully you can just about see this place on the camera. I'll do my best to try and light it up wherever I can, and come on, let's go have a look. guessing this must have been a bedroom. Small room, small windows. Next week I'm hoping to find an abandoned village to take you around, so fingers crossed for that one. If there is anything especially you would like us to go and film and that you'd find of interest, please do mention it in the comments below, because the idea of this is to take you on our travels with us. So anything that you think would be interesting, please do give us some ideas. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my Patreons. You guys keep the videos coming. And from Ted and I, until next time, see you later. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on BeyondTheVan.com. See you soon.